for salad, we need very few ingredients. Here we have vegetables. I have 1 carrot, 1 small cucumber, half tomato, and the fourth of an onion, and a few mint leaves. I'm going to put them all in a bowl. Then I will add 1 teaspoon of olive oil, and then 1 whole fresh lemon juice, salt, and some peppers. And then we're going to mix it nicely until everything is well combined. And here you have salad that goes with everything. It's very simple and easy to make. This salad goes with everything, so make sure you give it a try. And don't forget to follow me, subscribe me, and like this video. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.